Hello everybody, welcome back. As you can see, our fall overseed was pretty successful, except for one little spot, which I'm going to show you how to fix. So we have this one little area over here, which didn't really grow in too well. I'm thinking this is because this was the area that had a lot of crabgrass in it. So we're gonna fix that. Use this core aerator. Get a Home Depot. This is that handheld option I was telling you about. And we're just gonna drop some holes throughout the spot. Now, like I said, I don't know why this spot in particular didn't really catch. My assumption is, again, because there's a lot of crabgrass that grows in this area itself, mostly coming from the neighbor's lawn. So we're gonna do a little bit of spot seeding. Just go around, poke a few holes. Some seed left over from last year. Not gonna go too crazy with the spreading. I'm just gonna dump it. I really want to try to get this area grown in. A little spot, hold on. Spot over here. Put some holes in the ground. Pretty sure we're definitely going well over the recommended application rate. Like I said, this is just extra leftover seed. Really don't care. Now, this year I didn't use the peat moss for the rest of the lawn. I'm gonna add it on to these dry spots. Just spread it out by hand. Hopefully cover that seed up. Keep the moisture in. A little bit to this spot over here. Yeah, this will protect that seed. I'm just gonna hit it with the water right away. Just keep it moistened up. This area does get coverage by my sprinklers, so those should do the rest of the work. But just to give it a good start. And that's how you would spot seed. Now we'll check back in a couple weeks. Like I said, if you've seen earlier videos, And if you saw the fall overseeding video, you'll see what this lawn looked like when we overseeded it. Look at it now. Just growing in. Anyway, thanks again. Please like and subscribe, and take care.